Let's talk about how to use the Epilady L5. This is a fully rechargeable, full body epilator, safe for your legs, arms, underarms, face, and bikini area. You'll see the power adapter port on the bottom of the epilator. That's where you're going to want to plug it in. A red indicator light shows you that it's charging. Starting with the perfect angle guide on, I'm going to place the perfect angle guide on my leg and then the epilation head on my skin. Now I'm ready to start moving the L5 in small circles in both directions, and I'm working against the grain. So if you've been shaving for quite a while, your hair is most likely growing down due to gravity. You're going to want to start from the bottom of your leg and work up. You're definitely going to want to hold the skin around the area that you're epilating taut. That helps with sensitivity. Now I'm going to switch out the perfect angle guide for the epilation head cap. It's labeled front and back so you can easily snap it on. Be sure to check out your user guide for more tips and tricks about using the L5, or you can always visit epiladyusa.com.